In a world full of routine, two degenerates emerge to remind us to embrace life. Krista and Jason aren't the cruisers we need or deserve, but they're here anyway. They're just soulmates with a GoPro, a moderate tolerance for alcohol, and a thirst for fun. Let's celebrate the day!
What's the situation, Degenerate Nation?
What's happening, degenerates?
Hey, we just wanted to stop by and wish you guys
Happy 4th of July!
4th of July. And to celebrate the 4th of July, we thought we'd whip up a quick shot for you guys to share. This is the 4th of July shot.
This is the 4th of July shot.
It's Grenadine, blue Curacao, and vodka. And it works out to be about a 25% ABV drink. So
which is about 3.5 beers?
It's only an ounce and a half, but it's 25% ABV for an ounce and a half. So it's pretty potent.
Yeah, it's about 3.5 beers.
Get your celebration on. Let's make it. So
okay. You're better at this than I am.
Honestly, the best way to make this shot would probably be with a syringe, is one of the hacks I've heard on the internets. And basically,
the internets? We have internets?
Pour your grenadine right down the center.
Right down the center, that way it's not...
Oop, I sploogied all over the joint.
Okay.
How am I doing there? I gotta turn these sideways so I can even see what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're not even... Yeah.
Right,
I'm gonna grab the whites.
the middle. Right down the middle. Boom. Okay, there's red. Next one is blue. Dump your spoon. Let me just try and turn it to where you can see too. I'm gonna get my spoon right there on the edge and only partially submerged. And then just very, very, very slowly. How am I doing, dear?
I don't know. I can't see. Oh my gosh, it's layered really good. Good job.
Thank you. I should have been a freaking bartender.
You should have.
If I ever win a lottery, man, there's going to be a bar and a cool port somewhere.
I suck at this layering thing, so that's why he's doing it. Let me see. Okay, they're not even, but that's okay. Shit happens.
It's a shot.
It's a shot.
This one's special for you. This one's special for me.
Okay.
All right, and then some vodka.
Now the vodka is lighter than the blue Curacao, so it should actually, I'm like right in the shot, it should actually sit on top of the blue Curacao. We've done it, it works. However, it's you have to really have patience. So this is not a good thing to assemble mid-party. Start these off. You're doing great, love.
Thanks. And if you don't want it as high of an ABV shot, then this is the part you should lay off.
Right? Slow run the vodka.
There you go.
And always keep your bar clean.
Ta-da! Yeah, blue Curacao and Grenadine, two of the biggest stainers of your countertop ever.
Right? That's why I'm running around.
Let me bring it up to the camera so you can see it. Ta-da! 4th of July. So, cute little red, white, and blue shot. If you're in the U.S. and you're watching this, happy 4th of July. If you're not,
cheers.
This is why we're not answering the phones today at work.
Exactly. We'll be back tomorrow.
But many flags have red, white, and blue in them, so this could be.
And that is very true.
This could be anything. This could be a Swedish thing, right?
It could. I mean, except for the blue Curacao, red and white is Canada. Canada.
Cheers.
Cheers. Woo!
Smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazingly. Very good.
A little too smooth.
Yeah, so
we'll be putting this stuff away.
Great opener for a 4th of July party. Impress your friends. Magic tricks, layered shots, woohoo. Anyway, happy 4th of July, guys.
Celebrate the day.
Love you guys very, very much. Celebrate the day.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.